Hey friends, welcome back to Simplified by Singham. Today we are going to talk about something really important in Python, which is all about the break and continue statements. Now, don't worry if this sounds complicated. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what they mean, but you'll also know exactly how to use them in your own code. Let's go step by step. First of all, let's understand what is break in Python. So imagine you're eating a packet of chips and you love chips, but the moment you find a burnt one, you stop eating right there. That's basically what break does in a loop. It says, enough, stop the loop right now. Let's see an example with a for loop. Example for letter in Python. If letter equal to H, you just break and you just print current letter. And let's run it. And you see the current letter P, the current letter Y, and T. So the loop is going through each letter in the word Python, and the moment it sees H, the break statement kicks in and says stop the loop. So it will just print P, Y, T, and then stop. Let's take another example. Let's create a variable called 10, and while variable greater than 0, just print current value of the variable. And you just give var here. And now let's do var equal to var minus 1. And if var equal to 5, you just break. Any guesses what's happening here? Because we have already done multiple exercises on these concepts. I hope you guys now know what's really going on here. I want you to pause here, take some time, think about it, run it yourself, and try to get the output. And if you want, you can even comment down below with the good explanation of what you understood. So, when we run it, the loop starts at 10 and keeps going down. But the moment var becomes 5, the loop stops. That's break in action. So 10, it will run 9, 8, 7, 6. Once var value is 5 equal to 5, it's true, then just break it. So that's what it is doing. So this is how the break works. Okay, then what is continue in Python? Now let's say you're reading a book and you came across a boring page. And instead of stopping the whole book, you just skip that page and continue reading the next one. That's exactly what continue does. For example, if you keep this in comments, and let's uncomment them. Instead of break, just give continue here. And when you run it, see, the loop prints each letter in Python. When it reaches H, instead of stopping the entire loop, it just skips H and continues with the next letters, which are O, N. So the output will be P, Y, T, H is skipped, and O and N. So this is how continue works in Python. It just skips that element and continues the rest of the loop. So quick tip, break, stop the loop completely, continue, skip just one and move to the next. So that's the magic of break and continue in Python. Break says, I'm done, let's get out of here. And continue says, skip this part, but keep going. If this video made break and continue statements easier for you, imagine what else you can learn by staying connected here. So don't just stop here like the break statement. Instead, continue your learning journey with me by hitting that subscribe button and turning on notifications. Trust me, your Python skills are going to grow step by step. See you in the next video. Keep coding and keep shining.